Hey everyone, how's it going? So today I want to show you guys one of everyone's favorite things to see at Christmas time, and that is some Christmas lights. Now we're going to make these a little bit more cartoony and not so traditional. So I'm going to show you guys how to draw some basic ones and then some ways that you can make them more creative. So I'm going to start right here at the edge of my paper, and I'm just going to make a nice wavy line that just kind of goes up and down from one side to the other. Then I'm going to draw that same line, and I'm just going to kind of keep it as close to the same thickness all the way across. Now, to draw the Christmas lights, it's really easy. So I'll start one right here, and I'm just going to draw two lines like this. And then I'm just going to draw a straight line across, kind of like a little square. Then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of draw a little square. Put another one right here. Put one on the top of the line again. And then I'll put another one down here. Now, to draw the light shape, it's really easy. So what you want to do is start right here at the end and draw a line that just kind of goes out. It's going to kind of curve out, and when it comes down, it's going to kind of come to like a little bit of a point, and then it's going to curve back out and then come into here. Then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of curve out. Kind of go in, come to like a rounded point, and then you want to curve back up to here. Then we'll put another one here, just kind of curve out, go in, and then just kind of curve back out like this. Then we'll put some on top too, do the same thing, just kind of curve out and then in, and then kind of come back out. And then we'll put one more right here. Okay, so there is like the basic shape of the Christmas lights. You know, you can add other little details on here. I like to add sometimes like an extra little line or two around here. You can do them at the top or the bottom, either way. But then let's add some faces onto these just to make them a little bit more interesting. So we'll start with this one. I'm just going to do a simple face, and I'm just going to make two little circles on here. And then I'm going to just draw two little black dots inside the eyes. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line for a mouth. And then a line that just goes up and down with a little tongue in it. And then I'll color in this part. Just to make it like a really happy one, we can put some eyebrows on it. Now on this one, we do another face. We can add our two circles on here. Add some more eyes. And then this one we can just add like a nice normal smiley face on there. Some more eyebrows. Then this one over here, I'm actually going to put this eye a little bit closer to here. And then this one right here, we'll have them kind of looking over at the other ones. Then we'll just make a little straight line across, and then a little mouth that goes up and down like this with a little curved line in it. And then we'll add some of the eyebrows. Then we can also put some faces on here. I'm going to draw a circle here, and then a circle here. We'll have this one kind of looking down at the others. And then we'll just draw this mouth upside down real happy, so we'll just make it with a little smile. And then we'll just make a little mouth that goes up and down, put a little tongue in it, and kind of color this one in. Do the same thing down here. And then we'll just give him some eyebrows. And then on this one here, we'll make this one kind of unhappy because it's upside down. So, going to draw a circle here and a circle here. We'll make the pupils a little bit bigger, like really close together. And then this one we'll make like the mouth kind of like sad looking. And then we'll draw a line up and then down here, put a little tongue in there. And then we'll put some eyebrows like this so he looks like he's kind of all upset because he's upside down. And there you go. There is your drawing of some different little Christmas lights. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.